It's time for another conceptual aside. User agents. Big word alert. An agent, something that acts on someone else's behalf. For example, an actor might have an agent that goes and looks for work for them. They act on their behalf. So a user agent is software that acts on the user's behalf. You ask user agents to do things for you probably every day. You're using one now. The user wants information stored out on computers on the internet. The most common thing a user requests is text documents, more specifically, HTML documents. The user agent sits between the user and that information, facilitating making the request and delivering the response. And here's where we begin to break bad habits. You might think of a user agent as providing you something visual, like a web page that you see. But really, a user agent may deliver that information, that document, in any number of ways. And there are various types of user agents. Browsers may deliver information visually. Screen readers are user agents that deliver the information via spoken word. Googlebot is another user agent. It reads information on the internet with the purpose of categorizing it and making it available in Google's search engine. Now, in this course, we're talking about creating those documents that will be requested by users. So we have an essential job. We want to help user agents do their job successfully. Our job is to help user agents deliver the contents of our document in the most understandable, accurate way possible, so a user, all users, can benefit from it. To learn this job, to break bad habits, I'm going to ask something of you that might surprise you. We're not going to open a web browser for a while. As we write HTML, I'm going to ask you not to look at it in a web browser, just in a text editor. I know. You may be here to make web pages, and we'll do that. But we're going to do it properly. We're going to build good habits. We're going to break bad habits. And we're going to do this by understanding what HTML is. And we'll do that by avoiding a web browser for a little while. But don't worry, we'll spend a lot of time in a web browser soon. One other thing, and this might surprise you as well. There's something I'd like to promise you if you stick with me in this. In a short amount of time, you will be more skilled in HTML than many web developers. That sounds impossible, especially if you're a beginner, but I'm asking you to trust me. You can be highly skilled. You will be highly skilled. Okay, are you with me? Ready? Let's move on.